Transfer photos from Kodak Pixpro FZ55 to iPhone 2025. USB, Wi-Fi, and app methods. Wi-Fi and app methods. Wi-Fi. Pixpro app. Wireless. Step 1. On your camera, turn the dial to Wi-Fi mode. Step 2. On your iPhone, go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and select the camera's network, e.g., Pixpro 55. X. Step 3. Enter the password shown on the camera screen. Step 4. Open the Pixpro Remote Viewer app. Step 5. Tap the camera photo icon in the app to view and download pictures to your phone. USB via computer. Bulk transfer. Step 1. Connect the camera to your PC or Mac using the USB cable. Step 2. Copy the photo files from the camera's SD folder to your computer. Step 3. Move the copied photos to your iPhone using one of these. iCloud Photos, drag to iCloud folder, AirDrop from Mac Finder, MacOS, or iTunes, Windows. Photo Sync SD card, Lightning adapter, direct. Step 1. Remove the SD card from your camera. Step 2. Insert it into Apple's Lightning TOSD adapter, or a third party. Step 3. Plug the adapter into your iPhone. Step 4. The Photos app opens, and you tap Import to transfer the photos.